Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. This is Katrina. So I'm creating wax melts using my molds that I picked up from Temu a while back. I've had these molds for about a year now. These are silicone molds, and you simply pour the wax in them, and they have a hole in them so that you can attach rope or chain or whatever you desire to your wax melt. So after I've poured them in and let them dry, I demold them out of the wax melt container, and I set them on tissue paper. If you handle them too long in your hands, they will start to melt because our hands are very warm in comparison to the wax. So in making these wax melts, I decided to embellish them with one of these inspirational stickers that I think are really, really cute. I picked up these sticker books from Dollar Tree, and I'm glad for those of you that were able to find these books, as they are very useful in decorating your containers for your gift baskets, as well as adorning my wax melt glasses and my wax melts and my glasses that I use to make my candles with. So these are the finished products of the wax melts. Once I find a sticker that I want to put on there. And I was looking at these floral stickers, but for the orange wax melt, I think just a little bit too much color in these. So after looking through this book, I decided to go with another inspirational book that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree. You want to make sure you get the right size embellishment for your wax melt, because they're not that big, and some of the stickers in here are very big. Plus you want it to stand out. So in looking through this book, I decided to go with the banner sticker that stood out to me, and I thought it would really pop on this orange candle. So that is the one that I decided to use, and I just simply peel it off. And be careful peeling these off, because you will tear the back of the paper if you don't actually just grab the sticker itself. So I pulled it off, and I'm going to place it on top of this wax melt. Now, to get it to set into the wax melt, you're going to put it on, and you want to rub it with your fingers for just a little bit, and that is to warm it up. And once you warm it up, it settles into the wax, and then it will get cold again. So that is what our wax melt looks like. And don't worry, when they melt it down, the sticker will come right off. And it won't catch on fire. These will be in wax warmers and not in a flamed candle. And then I take my rope there that I'm going to attach to this wax melt, and I'm going to burn the end of the rope so that I get a nice point to stick through that hole to get it to the other side. So make sure you put your embers out so that you don't melt your candle on your wax. So I simply just stick it through the hole. And this one I just didn't let it burn long enough, but a little bit of twisting and it goes right through that hole. And like I said, I want to not handle that wax too much because I don't want my hands to make it start melting. So I tie it there. Now your customer can leave the string in there while the wax melts, depending upon what type of warmer they have. They may want to just cut the string off after they've put the wax into the wax warmer. Either way, these will melt down and they smell fantastic. The gray ones I did with the ocean mist scent, and that orange one is a pumpkin spice. So I think these wax melts have turned out beautifully. And will make a nice addition to anyone's gift. Or you can sell them individually or in sets. Just depends on how you want to make them. The sky is the limit to this. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, please share, please comment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.